Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have TOZO NC7 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not pairing or syncing with your phone or other device, or if the left ear is not working or the right earbud is not working or only sound out of the left ear, or anything like that, can very often be fixed with this factory reset. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to get it in one fell swoop, have it, delete all of the pairing history so that you can set these up as a brand new set of earbuds. We can go ahead and do this quite simply. All we need to do is go on our phone or whatever that we've had them paired with in the past and delete all of the pairing history off of the phone and our devices. And once we do that, we can just take the earbuds out of the case as shown here, and then we're just going to come in and press and hold for 5 seconds on the back of the panels to turn the earbuds off. After 5 seconds, they'll turn off. Once we do that, then we're just going to let go, and then we're going to come in and press and hold again for another 5 seconds, keeping an eye on the blue indicator light on the side of the earbud. And when that blue light goes out, we are going to quickly release and then double tap the earbuds again. And if this works properly, what will happen is the purple light will come on the earbuds, indicating that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and set these up as a new set of earbuds. And if your earbuds just won't get fixed, you just can't get them to work, you can go ahead and get a new set. I'll put a link in the description to a good pair of earbuds.